Hello viewer, welcome to my YouTube channel Software Testing. Today I'll show you how you can do performance monitoring using Windows command prompt with typeperf command. As per today's tutorial, I set it up topics this way. So performance monitoring using typeperf command. So we'll collect physical disk, memory and processor counter, and then we'll run the test and we'll capture the monitoring info with the handpick command. So because physical disk, memory and processor has lot of counter, so from the each category we'll take 3 from each and then we'll run the test. In order to do that, first we need to open command prompt. In order to open command prompt, you need to go to Windows search box, type cmd, then hit enter from keyboard. Your Windows command prompt will open. So first let's make a bigger this one, properties, then do the size 12 by 16 and also font will be 24. Okay, then it is bigger, so we can write our command all together easy way and it is viewable. So first we need to create a folder in desktop. Let me do that. New folder. So perf test. Then from the command prompt, we need to navigate on that folder. cd desktop, then cd perf test. First, we need to type the typeperf command. typeperf, typeperf, then hit enter. You see, typeperf command, the syntax of the command is incorrect because it needs some sort of parameter. There are multiple parameters based on your criteria. So let me clean up the screen. First thing, we need to take the counter for all three categories. So the command is typeperf, then we need parameter qx, that means which counter needed. So first do the physical disk, then we need to put it in an output file. That's parameter is o, then the name of the file. Let me do the name of the file is the physical disk, then dot txt, which file we needed, then hit enter. So command completed successfully. That means we got all the physical disk counter. Similar way, we need to do the memory. So everything is as it is. Only thing we need to change the name, memory, also the file name. Let me put the file name as a memory. Memory.txt. Then hit enter. It is completed successfully. Then for the next command is the processor. Counter. I mean counter is processor. Processor and also the file name. I'm doing the same file name as a processor. Then hit enter. We got all the counter. Let's clean up the screen. Let me open that folder. You see all the counter comes up over here. Let me create another file, new text document, counters.txt. So let me open counter.txt. It is empty file. And also now first we'll open memory. So memory will take first thing memory available megabyte. So let me take this counter because here is lot of counter. If we take all the counter, test will run longer time. So we cannot even see the graph and all other thing in a shorter video. Let me do the page write per second. and also we'll do page write, page read per second. Recounter from memory, then close this memory. Let me open physical disk. Physical disk will do the total disk time. Control C, Control V, and also disk read time total. And also we'll do the disk write time total. Here is the disk write time. Now is the processor. Close this one, open the processor.txt. So first we'll take processor time, total processor time. Control C, Control V here, and also we'll take user time total. And also we'll take another counter from here, idle time, processor idle time. So all the counter we picked will monitor all these 9 counter. So in order to make shorter run. So now close this one. Now the command will be, we need to write the command over here. So same command, type perf, typeperf. First, from where we need to read our counter. So that parameter is cf, then counters.txt. Then we need to specify sample interval. It's a 5 seconds. Then we need to sample collection. How many collection we need to collect the monitoring result. Let's say 10. If we make it bigger like 50, 100, or it will run long time. Thereafter, we need to specify the file extension, which file we need to do. We need to do CSV file. Then we need to specify output file. Let's say result.csv. So that's all about command for the performance monitoring. Typeperf, it is reading the data from counter.txt, parameter is cf, then sample interval is 5 seconds. It will wait 5 seconds for the counting another one. So sample count 10, then file format CSV, and output file is results.csv. Then hit enter. It will execute the command. You see it is running. It will take some time and put it together all the result. So basically in real life performance testing, performance tests run 4 hour, 10 hour, 12 hour, even a day. So that time you need to monitor. For performance monitoring, we have lot of paid tool like load runner, neoload, and also many more. So Windows command prompt typeperf, it by default comes with Windows, and you can monitor those things with the command prompt with no cost. Sometimes we need it for this one because sometimes in the restricted environment you cannot take the monitoring tool on that server, so that easy way you can use typeperf command with the command prompt. It has lot of utility. You see the command completed successfully. Let me go to that folder. You see result.csv, it is created. So open that file. You see here is the result. So let me select and do that thing. So first line, it is there is no data for some command. Let me delete that first line. First row, delete sheet row. So now here is the disk time. So select that one, then click insert, then do your chart line whatever you need to select, it will do the graph that way. I'm doing the first one. You see, that is the disk time graph. Then also you can check those things 0, 0. There is no activity. Let me take a look the processor time. Disk write time. Take a look at this write time. Select that one. Then insert and also click chart. You see disk write time. In this way, basically, you can create your report and chart so that let me do that thing. Available megabyte. Select that one. Insert chart. Control Z. Select the whole thing. In this way, you can create your performance monitoring result with the chart and you can report that things. In this way, you can use typeperf command for creating performance monitoring report, and that will be useful for determine the application, how it behaves with a specific load. I think those who are new in performance testing as well as performance monitoring using Windows command prompt with typeform command. This video will be very helpful for themselves. If you think this is helpful, please like my video, subscribe my channel and share it to others. Also, if you have any question, please make a comment. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.